Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss the goals of analytical chemistry, that is the inorganic analysis. In inorganic analysis, there are two types of uh, analysis. One is the qualitative analysis and another is the quantitative analysis. Uh, in qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis, qualitative analysis means what is it? That is the identification, uh, separation by using the acid equilibrium, uh, solid solution, that is the solubility, and complex ion equilibrium, oxidation reduction equilibrium, and spot test or paper chromatography. Yeah. These are the qualitative analysis. Uh, you see here the acid base equilibrium. Acid base equilibrium means the acid uh, when titrated with or react with the base at the base to form a salt. That means at the equilibrium salt formation takes place. That is acid base equilibrium, the how much amount of acid is neutralized with the base is the equilibrium. Solid solution, that is the solubility. For example, the lead or silver react with chloride ions to form a lead chloride precipitate or silver chloride precipitate. Or the silver lead is reacted with the sulfate ion to form a lead sulfate, or barium reacted with sulfate ion to form a barium sulfate. These are the number of examples that to form a the product at equilibrium, a solid and solid solution, that is the solubility. The how much amount of lead is reacted with sulfate ion or chloride ion, or barium ion reacted with the chromate ion or sulfate ion. This is known as the solid solution, uh, the solubility product. Complex ion, it is the when metal ion is combined with the chelating, monodentate or polydentate type of the ligands to form a complex. When metal ion combines with monodentate ligands to form a complex ions and react with the chelating agent to form a metal chelates. This is known as a complex ion equilibrium. Oxidation and reduction equilibrium means the one is the oxidizing agent and another is the reducing agent. Both to gain of electrons or loss of electrons takes place at the equilibrium position. And last, the point is the spot test. Spot test here we have to use the different types of the reagents like inorganic reagents as well as the organic reagents for the identification of the cation sign anions radicals. Uh, the organic reagent is is used, both types is the in liquid state or the solid. Liquid state means when you to take the solution in test tube or plates uh, for the identification of cations and anions, and they when you have to use the paper chromatography, you can use uh, the cations and its precipitating agent like the inorganic as well as the organic reagents. To spot test, it means to you get the precipitate as well as the color of the solution, and therefore this is known as the qualitative analysis. And quantitative analysis, it is the how much amount which are present in the sample. Uh, is known as the quantitative analysis. And therefore, in analytical chemistry, the there are different chemical or different methods for determining the chemical composition of samples of a matter, and and in qualitative method to yield the information about the identify of atomic or molecular species or the functional groups in the sample. And quantitative method is the contrast group in this provides to numerical information as the relative amount of one or more of these components. And therefore, the present day the instrumental analysis better and faster. Uh, Also, you have to use the uh, instrumental methods for the precipitation, titration, electrodeposition, volatilization, volumetric analysis. You have to use the both instrumental titration. For example, conductometric titration, piezometric titration, potentiometric titration. Also, in acid base complex metric titration, also they both potentiometric as well as the conductometric titration. Precipitation titration, also you have to use the instrument as well as uh, this is the two types. One is the uh, non-instrumental methods and instrumental methods. These types, volumetric titration or analysis, acid-base titration, you have to use both uh, volume, volumetric, that is the by using the Burette pipette titration, and also instrument. They like the acid-base titration, complex metric titration, uh, then precipitation, redox titration, and non-aqueous titration. These are the very important types of the gravimetric uh, analysis. The gravimetric analysis in both the precipitation titration and electrodeposition and volatilization methods. In volumetric analysis, acid base, complex metric, precipitation, redox titration, and non-aqueous titration.